Wow, look at this store, huge. Wow, look at all this stuff. So much New York. Wow. This store is legit. This is the biggest New York store I've ever seen. This is like, wow. Everything is New York. Insane. Love it. This is insane. Wow. You definitely know where to come for a souvenir. Not today, but wow. Everything, New York. New York Yankee hats. Wow. Pretty amazing. New York City. Little stuffed animals. Taxi cabs. Wow. School bus. Amazing. This is a cool one. This is a cool store. I like the vibe in here. With this weather, man, this is an amazing setup. Just lift the gates and have the people come in. This is an amazing spot. And they're in a great location. Broadway and Canal. Wow. That, you know, it doesn't get much better than that.
ولو سديت على 10 بقى.
So we got the subway there, Canal Subway. That's the Canal Subway. All right, let's stroll on Canal Street. Let's get across the street. We're gonna go across the street. All right, Canal Street. Let's go, let's go. This way. We got it, we got it. We got it, hurry up. 17 seconds, 16, 15. Let's go, Canal Street. So we're on the corner right now of Canal and Broadway. We're gonna stroll on Canal Street this way. A lot of things for sale here.
Where y'all going?
Okay, we're on Lafayette Street right now. Canal and Lafayette. Let's go, let's go. All right, so I gotta wait. Gotta wait. You don't hear the wait like you do in New Jersey on some of the walk crossing. Oh, what was the bike coming right at me? Oh man, nothing. Okay, Century Street, right here. Let's go, we got it. Hurry up. All right. So we're back up in Chinatown. Let's roll around. Let's walk around here. Let's stroll around. We got it. I think we got it. Let's go. All right, let's go. All right, yeah. Smell the fish market right here. Good stuff. Let's go. A lot of people out today. The weather's so nice. Great weather. Super awesome weather. All right, let's go. All right, so we got Millbury Street right here, and we're gonna maybe make a left, make a right there maybe. Let's see.